more or less it's 74 degrees in here.
Okay.
All right. Is it better to leave it held or to keep clicking it?
Yeah, if you hold it, it should keep reading.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay, so. I did get it ready. Okay, so that's not setting anything off. Okay, not getting anything here. Sorry, I'm like. Okay, so the computer is setting it off. The phone is setting it off.
Hold on, coming back. Do it again.
The AC is running, so that'll probably have an effect on EVP.
Phone is setting that off.
Just maybe follow this one giant screen.
That's fine. I can clip. I'm good at clipping.
Outside in the room, across from the computers.
I mean, the good news is your power strip is not setting it off, so it's working.
Yay! That was what we got. That's what we got tagged for at the last fire inspection too. So.
Was not having proper.
Well, I think that we had like a surge protector plugged into a surge protector.
Oh jeez. Also, Andrew, I am recording, so you're directly in it. So.
Make sure you cut that.
This is all just one giant.
Is there such thing as a hot spot? Because it was like 77 like right here. Oh, see?
Not really.
That seems kind of counterintuitive though.
Right? Like I've never. Okay, so that's going on. The light switches are going on. It's just steady.
Oh.
That's fine. Again, I can add it. I'm fine with editing.
Yeah, there's like just one spot left. Unless you do
The back is off. Okay. All right. So, Chad, where are we now?
This is known now as the Mary Bray Room. It's named after the first Matheson librarian who served here for close to 30 or 40 years. And it has some of the memorial items from the old Sprague Free Library, which was the library in Elkhorn from 1901 up till this was built, including a painting of the namesake. This is Charles Sprague, who died at a young age of 21 back in 1892. There's a couple of paintings in here. We've got George Washington Wiley, who was the Grand Marshal of the Fair and a Civil War veteran. But Charles, it was a tragic death. He did die young, so if there was a ghost, I would say it would be either Mr. Sprague or maybe our beloved Mary Bray is maybe still making the rounds and keeping an eye on things for us.
All right, so I'm going to turn on our voice recorder and we're going to ask some questions and see what we can come up with, okay?
All right.
There's a voice recorder here on the table. It has the red light. If you wouldn't mind coming forward and speaking directly to this device, it'll capture anything that you have to say to us.
If you're not too busy. We're very polite ghost hunters.
If you have other things to do, we understand.
Yeah, your time is valuable. Or maybe move the chapstick that's on the table. Like give us a sign that you're here by moving it or flicking it or making it float even. Anyone here with us? Charles Sprague, Mary Gray, George Washington Wiley. You're standing by.
Again, it'd be great if we had like the actual equipment that we could get instant reactions from, but
I guess in a real ghost hunt, they'd be doing this all night long, so there's probably a lot. You'd have to go do a lot more work to maybe get result. We're just more demoing the equipment.
right.
Yeah.
Any ghosts we find are just pure luck.
It's just a benefit, fringe benefit.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it record.
Okay.
Maybe we'll pick something up, maybe not. But I'm also gonna grab, now that we've asked them to come out and hang out with us, to join us in the festivities, that's just me moving it.
Right.
That doesn't mean that I'm a ghost or that there's a ghost right next to me. But I'm gonna just. That's a ghost! So I'm just gonna move around the room and see if anything reacts. So these are the old record books from the asylum. Chair there. That's right. Everything okay? Was it a ghost?
No, no ghost. How about here?
Nothing. Alright. Do we want to... I'm going to move into this room, which is the... just...
Same room, just that's used for the meetings and where the genealogical society meets. Back in the day, some of the books were kept here, and there was actually a painting collection where people could check out paintings to hang at their house for a party or something, and those were kept over here.
That's cool. I have to hold on to the chairs, 'cause, like, they don't all fit nicely under the table.
As long as you stay close to the shelf, you should be okay. No, maybe not.
That one wasn't pushed in. Was it pushed in earlier?
We'll have to go back in the footage.
I'm just not sensing any ghosts. I might have to say that Matheson Memorial Library is not haunted.
This house is clean.
Except for the L. Ron Hubbard.
Yeah, sorry,
over there.
bad poltergeist reference.
No, I
Oh,
understand. I understood the reference. I'm just saying.
Oh, yeah, that
Out of
one.
all of our ghostiness.
If you like L.Ron Hubbard, that's cool.
You know what? Maybe that'll make people feel safer.
Yeah.